Mr. Cool. Huh?
Well, guess what, baby? I'm about to give you a treat, yeah, and you don't gotta do no tricks. That one's just for existing.
That butt. Let me spank that butt.
Huh?